How to cancel a ride on DiDi without extra charges. If you'd like to avoid cancellation fees on DiDi, you may try following up these process. So what you can do is first of all go ahead and open up the app, and then once you open up the app, basically go ahead and start up a booking. So once you start up a booking, you can just go ahead and select your ride and everything, and you will be finding an option to cancel your ride. Once you do so, you can find the cancel option like this on your screen. So if the driver is significantly delayed or taking a strange route, you can cancel without a fee. If you cancel before the driver arrives at the pickup location, you won't be charged at all. And if you cancel after 2 minutes grace period, the driver is not at fault, a cancellation fee may be applied. And if the driver arrives at the pickup location and waits, canceling after a short period, for example 3 to 5 minutes, also may result on a fee. So if you'd like to cancel a ride without any fee, you need to do very quickly, like before the driver arrives, or if the driver is very late, you can just go ahead and do so, and that way you can cancel a ride without any fee. But there are certain rules and conditions in order to do so. So therefore, I hope this information was helpful to you. Don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we'll be seeing you in another video.